Hello friends, this is Dr. Satish Polshettiwar from School of Pharmacy, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University, Pune. Here, today, let us discuss on how to generate a QR code and tiny URL. This is very important. So we all know these days the majority of QR codes, that is quick response codes, are scanned with smartphones, that is from your mobile device also. There are tons of free apps which is available on your Play Stores and iOS to scan this QR code, and probably we can use for both the devices with your camera. Most often you simply open the app and it automatically scan that quick response code with a touch of buttons. Okay, these are the very important tools. Let us understand how to generate this very fascinating kind of QR code and tiny URL with the web-based tools. So there are multiple websites, multiple the free web link available where we can generate these QR codes. So the first website that I'm going to tell you, that is qrcreator.com. Let's visit these websites, and for creating this particular tiny URL we can visit tinyurl.com or bit.ly.com. There are multiple websites. Today I am just exploring the qrcreator.com. Okay, let's visit this website. So yeah, now before that we should have a lot of links. For example, you all of you know, when we create the Google Forms on these particular things, okay, on Google Classrooms, so we need to always send that links. We all know these are the links that we create. We all of you know they are the links, okay, that we can send. For example, these are the links. Very this link is quite lengthy. If you want to make it there, this option is there, that is we can shorten this link, but still this link is bigger. So in order to make it small, definitely we can copy this link and we can just go to this QR creator. Okay, this is one QR creators. Just put this website over here. You have to log in with your Gmail ID again. Yes, it's freely available. So the moment you add this, then probably you could see the different option, creating URL, shorten the URL, then creating this quick response code. So I'm just pasting this link over here in this text box. Okay, Control V. Now see V. Then you have to click on this shorten URL. Now you can see the plugin over here. You have to enable this shorten URL. You have to just short this URL. Now the moment you click on short URL, now you can see over here how this particular your link has been converted into this small types. Okay, this small URL. Even you can convert the same thing into this QR code. Now we can see the QR code of the same link that we can download in a JPG image, PDF formats, and you can paste it in your flyer whenever you are to paste that. Okay, you can paste it and you can certainly share with your learner. Now so you can download this also. The option is there, you can download this. Now you can download this QR code, okay, in your file. Now see, it is being downloaded, this image in the PNG format. Even we can change the color of this. Now see, the option is there, we can change the margin of these particular things. Now see, if you want to make it magnify this, you can magnify. We can add a color. If you want this color, background color, you can add this color. Okay, this color of, now see, it has been changed. Now the color has been changed. Okay, so this changes we can make it over here. Okay, now you can see over here it has been changed. This has been changed. Okay, so and the URL also ready. So both things are ready, means you are shortened the URL as well as you are prepared the QR code of the same link. Okay, now see, then even you can change the background color. All these things are options available. You can even improve the these corrections and all this. You can make it clear. Now see, it is bigger. You can convert to JPG, EPS image, all the information. Even you can add the information on this dates, number of QR cell, monitor size. So we can even embed with the documents. Now see, HTML embed. So these are the different options available and you can make it for your purpose. Thank you very much for watching this my channel and watching this video, and I appeal all of you kindly subscribe my channels to get all updated video from my sites. Thank you very much.